Good morning and welcome back to Chi-Chi's Garage. And I'm confused. So, which isn't hard to do. So, SVL Kubota 65-2. Because I'm a moron, I busted the side glass out. Now, Kubota sells the whole thing, but it's expensive. But they also sell the glass, so there's got to be a way to get this glass in this frame. But the frame is one piece. And like I always like to say, the math ain't math. Because this glass, even with the seal out, it don't come close to fitting. So I did the right thing and went to the dealer, and they said, yeah, we don't mess with glass. We don't know anything about it. Send it to a glass company. Well, I ain't got time to do all that. So I'm going to cut this here, bend this tab up, and try to slide it in. Stay tuned. Okay, right or wrong, this is how I did it. So I cut a little slit in here with a side cutter, and then I bent this tab down just a little bit, and then I worked this piece up. You can see where I kind of gnawed at it, and then I brought the glass back as far as it would go. Right there, there's a bumper back here, so you got, and then you got this thing here too. The hard part is this seal. This seal is a pain, so you got to mess with that. And you got, I was able to get it down here, but so then with this bent back and this bent down, I was able to come over the top of this, get it to narrow through, and then oil it, put some oil on it, and slide it down. So this thing here is going to have to have some silicone in it or something so it stays in place. But anyway, that's how I did. That's how I got this glass to go in there. I know there'll be a million people telling me that this was absolutely the wrong way to do it. But you know what? If it works, is it wrong? Maybe a little bit wrong. But anyhow, this is what I got. It's as good as I can get it. I would just recommend taking it to a glass company if you can live without it. But anyhow, now I got to put it back in. That's going to be a fight because the roll-up window is in the way. But I'm halfway there.